Hey guys, I'm gonna show you how to set up Friendster on mobile. So to start, we need to install it first. So let's go to App Store. Now in here, click the search bar and let's search for Friendster. Click on it. Scroll down and select the second one. So click the cloud icon. So download the official Friendster app, then wait for it to install. Once installed, tap on open. And in here, if you want to allow notifications, click on allow. Next, you need to agree to the terms of service and privacy policy. So toggle it on in order for you to continue, just like that, and continue. So let's create your profile. So your name is how friends will see you after you tap. So put in your display name and your bio. Next, tap on continue. So right here, so it says right now you're using a temporary sign in. If you delete the app or switch phones, you may lose access to your profile and friends. So protect your account by signing in with Apple. So this is recommended. This lets you restore your account on a new phone. So let's click on sign in with Apple. Select your account and click continue. You can also tap on close at the top right or click not now. So I'm going to click close. And that's basically it. So if you want to set up your profile, just click edit profile. And in here under photo, this is where you can upload your profile picture. So let's tap choose photo. And let's choose our photo in here. For example, this one. You can rename your name and edit your bio. You can also add emojis or something like that. Now once done, tap on save. And you have now set up your profile. If you click the settings icon or the gear icon at the top left, that's where you can see all your settings. So here you can log out, you can delete your account, you can sign in with Apple. So here you can see your email, notifications, you can clear image cache, etc. Now, if you click the home page, this is where you can write a post. So if you want to post, so just click on write a post. And in here, this is where you can add photos, you can tag someone and type in your post in here, whatever you want. So you can say, hello friends, please follow me or whatever. And click on post. So there you go. That's how you can use Friendster on mobile. You can also add your friends in here. Just click on the two persons icon and click on add friend to add your friends. If you click the message icon, that's where you can type new message. And that's basically it. Thank you for watching.